What's up, y'all? This little device here is called the INSTAPOT. We've had this INSTAPOT now for about 6 to 7 months. I think we've used it a total of 3 times. This INSTAPOT is going to stay right here on the shelf with this cook because, quite frankly, I don't know how to use it. I have no idea. All these little buttons right here kind of confuse me. But what doesn't confuse me is cooking outside. So that's exactly what this cook is going to be today. Going to do a keto shrimp Alfredo over some cauliflower rice. Let's get started. First thing we do is to prep up the shrimp. All right, so you can see this. All right, so in doing the shrimp, these have not been deveined or nothing else. Okay. What I like to do, a little trick, is just grab the very tip of the tail and pull, and all the meat from inside that shell comes out of that tail. That's all meat comes out, so you get a lot more. All right, now it's got to devein it. Now when you devein a shrimp, just go right down the center here. See the hole right there? Oh, right there. See the hole? Right there. Just gonna cut right down. Cut all the way down. Open it up, and there's usually a vein right inside there. And there's the vein right there. Now that's a good shrimp. That's nice and prepped up shrimp right there. Now this one, the tail's gone. Just pinch and roll to the side. Pinch and roll like that. Just roll it off. I used to work in a Greek restaurant and we used to do these all the time. Cut down. Oh, that's got a good vein right there. Just pull that vein out. Then you also rinse. Rinse it off. Get that vein out of there. There we go. Another good one. Right there. Pinch and roll. Pinch and roll. Grab the very tips. Right here. There you go, see that meat? That's all the meat that was in that tail. A lot of people don't even get that. I do. Hey, boy, that boy must have had a big old meal before he got to it. Look at that sucker. I'm gonna go ahead and finish prepping these up and get started on the next. All right, y'all, so in my last video, I showed you how I found one of the little tailgater Weber kettles in the garbage. Well, I found this one as well somebody was throwing out, and it came with a cover. Check this bad boy out. 22-inch Weber kettle. Now, it is an older one. It's an older version. Check this out. Look at that. It's kind of windy out here. I pressure washed it, and I seasoned it. Thing was pretty freaking awesome, man. I mean, look at that. Somebody was throwing that thing out, man. And the only thing I got to do is I got to run a screw through one of these legs here because the leg pops off, and that's the only thing that's what's wrong with it. Actually, I emailed Tom Horseman. He says it's probably, it's probably 10 years old. Say the code on it is a AU. So if you know what AU stands for, be able to code it, that'd be kind of cool, and let me know. All right. This is keto. This is when keto becomes fun, is when you're doing this. Let's give this a try. Get some of that cauliflower rice in there, on that shrimp. I simply cannot describe how wonderful that is. Make yourself this. Look, this is the good thing. Even if you make this, you can still make it with pasta, anything else. I just did keto wash. I did cauliflower rice. You can do regular rice. You can do fettuccine. You can do any kind of noodles. Manicotti noodles, not manicotti, but like rigatoni noodles. You can do that with. This is an absolutely phenomenal dish. So like, subscribe, and I will see y'all next week. Ciao.